Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the Valorant Sage new map quest that's on Discord. So just go to quests here and go to orb quests, and we are going to launch the quest. Okay, so let's press start here. You will need to find 8 mascots and 3 cubes. So let's go here first. We are going to press this button to reveal our first mascot. If you look up, you'll see the second one here. And then we're just going to zoom on this side. We're going to claim this one. And then we're going to use this lockbox. And you have to make it similar to the orbs on the wall here. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. So like so. Press this button and you'll get your first cube. So press take. Then you're just going to move your camera to this side, and I'm just going to zoom here first, and you'll find the next mascot here as well as this area. Okay, this doesn't have anything to do with it, I think. And then I'm just going to zoom to this side, and you'll find the next mascot here, and the next one here. Oh, on these boots? Okay, I think it's just there. And then I'm just going to press this card here, take, and I'm going to use it over here to get our second cube. So press take on that one. And I'm just going to zoom on this side. And this is our 8th and final mascot. All mascots found, yay, close it. And then here I'm just going to insert our cube. So the last passcode for it will be 2. And then the first one is 5. And then we also have this one. Don't forget to take it. And we're going to put it there. So it's 5, 7, and 2, I believe. Okay, I'm just going to press continue first. So I'm just going to zoom it in and let's enter the passcode. So it's 572 and press enter. You're in the title, Hackerman's, and I think that's it. You're just going to claim the reward here. You can also kind of look around though. You've earned some badges here as well. Earn the title. I'm not sure, maybe if your Valorant account is connected with your Discord, you'll get these titles. I'm just going to claim reward here. And you'll get 700 of the orbs. I don't know why it's taking so long to load, but yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!